Okay, so here are some supplemental problems for section 11.4, day 2 of it, the composite problems. So the first one here in 11.4 is find the area of the figure as shaded. The key is recognizing that, and this is how I always approach these. How do I get this figure? Well, it's a rectangle minus a semicircle. Excuse me. So area of a rectangle is base times height. Semicircle is 1/2 pi r squared. Okay, well, then this is kind of obvious. Here's the base. Sorry, blah, blah, blah. Here's the height. Here's the base. So area is going to be 50 times 30 minus 1/2 pi times the r squared. Well, if this is 30, radius is 15. There we go. If we want to get fancy, the exact answer is 150 minus 225 pi over 2. But we don't need to get fancy. We just need to be able to do the problem. So 150. Or actually, you can just do it all one time. 50 times 30 minus 1/2, which is 0.5, times pi times 15 squared. 1,146.57. This is the exact answer, feet squared. Approximately 1,146.57 square feet. Oh yeah, because this is 1,500, not 150. I was like, wow, this gets so big. Wait a second, that's 1,500, not 150. Okay, next example. Another area problem. Okay, so this time area is rectangle minus 3 circles. Alright, so let's see here. Rectangle's base times height. Circle is pi r squared. Well, this is pretty obvious for the circle part of it. It's a radius of 5, which is 75 pi if I do this exactly, because 25 times 3 is 75 pi. Then what I have to recognize is, okay, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. More importantly, it's 10 for each diameter. So it's 30 across for this guy. But then it's also 10 this way, so 10 for the height. So the base is 30, the height is 10. So this is 300 minus 75 pi. That's the approximate answer, exact answer, 300 minus 75 pi. So 64.4. All right. Next one I like a lot. One, because it's realistic. Maybe it's a floor plan. Plus, it's not hard to do, and it's just kind of, I don't know, a little different. So we've got to figure out the area of this shaded region. The real key is turning this guy into a series of rectangles. So it doesn't matter how you cut it. You could probably cut it multiple ways. I'm just going to do this. Mostly because I've already got for this rectangle here then 1 foot by 3.5 feet. Okay, so I'm going to turn it sideways. 1 by 3.5, which is 3.5 square feet for that guy. Hopefully that comes out. This one then is also 1.5 by 1. Obviously not to scale. So 1.5 square feet. And then this guy here, he is, well, 3 feet all the way, 1 foot here, so it's 2 feet for that. This length I need to figure out though, but it's not that bad because I've got 2 feet and 1 feet, so this from here to here is 3 feet, but it's 3.5 feet total, so it's 0.5 feet. So it'll be 2 times 0.5, which is 1 foot squared. So our total area is 1 square foot plus 3.5 square feet plus 1.5. square feet. So 1 plus 3, that's 5 plus 1. So 6 square feet. Yeah. All right, now the last example from 3.4 that we went over in class. Find the shaded region, which we really have then a circle minus a pentagon, which means we get to go through all the fun of doing what we did in the first half of section 5.4 or 11.4. So it's circle, which is pi r squared minus 1/2 apothen times perimeter. Now, the circle is easy because this 10 is the radius of the circle as well. The real work is figuring out the apothem and the perimeter. So draw the triangle. Okay. There are 5 triangles, meaning it's 72 degrees. So split it in half. Oops, make this. Meaning this is 36 degrees, and it's 10 for that length. So the apothem is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So it's cosine of 36 equals a over 10, multiplied by 10. So 10 times the cosine of 36 is the apothem, which I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in the calculator. 10 times the cosine of 36. 8.1. Let's go with that, 8.1. So the apothem is 8.1. Okay. Now, for the perimeter then, this guy here, I'm going to call him x. Remember, x is only half of the base. So to find x is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, so it's sine of 36 equals x over 10. Let's multiply by that. So it's 10 times the sine of 36. So the whole length is 20 times the sine of 36. So 10 times the sine of 36 times 2. That's one whole side, but there are 5 sides to this, so times 5. The perimeter is 58 point, let's say 8. There we go. Now we're ready to figure out this area. So 10 squared times pi minus, 1/2, which is 0.5, times 8.1 times 58.8, which is 76, almost flat, yeah. 0.02 centimeters squared. There we go.